Hi guys, good morning. I'm out for a walk in the trail. Got my water. So we're gonna start going for a walk. It's about 8:30-ish or going to 9. But we're gonna do this, going in the trail. Okay guys, we're gonna see what animal we see today. They're cleaning the trail. You could see they're cleaning the trail. I could hear the water. Okay guys, we could hear the water. Let's see if I could see from here. No, we can't see from here. We gotta go further up and see. What's up in the trail? What animal we see today? Guys, look at the wood, for the breadfruit. Look at the wood. Look at the tree, guys. Look. Look. Odd. Great morning. Guys, it's chilly. It's a bit chilly, but it's good. It's always a good walk to go in the trail for a little stroll. Guys, I could go either way. I could go that way. That's where I'm coming from. I'm coming from all the way down there. You see the sun is coming up. I could go that way, but I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. I have my water. If I get thirsty, I could drink my water. Guys, I could hear the water. There's a little stream running. I could hear it, but it's so bushy. I can't go down there, but as soon as I see footpath, I'm gonna go in because there's a lot of footpath. So I will go and look and see. But a beautiful morning. The water is down there, but I haven't seen a footpath yet. But we have time to check it out. We have time to check it out. It's very, I don't know if it's an animal. Make that hole. There's a hole right there. Maybe it's an animal. I don't know which one. But we haven't seen none yet. No, guys, look at this. Look at this. Woodland. Okay, guys. Here's the water. Here is the water. There's the water. I don't know if you could see it. Where is it? It's right there. It's a little wood. Oh, the sun, the place. I don't know if you could see it, guys. I don't know if you could see it. Okay. We go further. Okay. Keep walking. Oh, guys, here's a footpath. There is a footpath, guys. As I'm looking to see if I see any mermaid. But there's no mermaid. You can hear this water. The sound is so nice. Can you hear it? So guys, so peaceful. You could have a bed, and this tree is gigantic. Gigantic. Enormous. Okay, guys. Let's see. Guys, I'm afraid of these critters, eh? When you go too much in this bushes. Yeah, okay guys, on our way, see what animal we see today. I don't know. There's a green thing on this tree. I don't know what it's for. Okay, on our way again, guys. My water bottle making all this nice and light. There's a next footpath. This is the next footpath, guys. Leads down to the water. Leads down to the water. Ooh, guys. Listen to this tranquility. I don't know. There's a lot of debris in there, guys. A lot of debris. But it's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys. We're carrying on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 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 Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Okay. Guys, we haven't seen no animal yet. You hear bird chirping, but no animal. No animal yet, guys. No animal, no animal. But soon, okay, guys. But soon I think we'll see animal. Guys, that song, it's my water bottle. It's in my belt. Okay. We cross a little bridge where the water flows. Guys, this trail, it's well maintained. It is maintained. They maintain this. Guys, there's a track lead up to think somebody else backyard over there. Yeah. So the grass, they even have grass, lawn mower and all. Oh, the glare of the sun. The sun. Look at this Christmas tree, guy. Look at, oh, those look like sugar cane. Guys, doesn't this look like sugar cane? Like sugar cane. Looks like sugar cane. Okay, guys. Moving on. Oh, look at the wood. We call this bramble to make a smoke. Look at this. Guys, it is chilly, but guess what? In this summertime, this must be a cool spot for you to just sit and rest the tired body. Look at this, guys. Sit down and rest with a little tired body, guys. Yes, but we're moving on. The water, you could hear the water. Oh, peaceful. Guys, my nose is running. It's chilly. Oh gosh, I'm telling you. It's, guys, I'm telling you, this trail, it's maintained. It's not dirty and it's not 100% clean, but it is maintained. You can tell it's maintained. This is a little path you could go in the water. See, guys? No, I could wash my face if I want to, but I'm not. Alright, people houses. But I am not gonna. Oh, guys, look at this big tree. But I'm not going to wash my face in this. Oh, leaf is falling. Guys, look at this. Oh, I see squirrel. Look at this tree fall down. You could make a seat on this. Sit down. Rest your body. If you're tired. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh. Okay, moving on, guys. Guys, see the water there? Maybe a beaver is in there, guys. Is it a beaver? I think a beaver, what they call it. When the water is bubbling up. The beaver. Guys, look. well maintained, guys, well maintained. Okay, guys, we are moving on. Okay, we come to a crossroad in the trail. Where to go, where to go, where to go, which way to take. Okay, guys. Guys, them foreign people in a run for make good trail, enough people. Them foreign people, they don't run for make good trail. And that they make good trail. Okay, guys, we come to a crossroad. Okay, we could go that way. We could go that way. Or we could go that way. But I think I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go on the trail. Oh, the sun, the sun is in my eyes. I don't know where we're gonna end up when we get in the trail, but we're just gonna walk it and see if we get to the road, if we get to the school, if we get to people's house, if we get to the trail. And they're telling me it's an uneven trail, so they're sign telling us all kind of stuff. Warning, pathway is closed. Pathway is closed. No winter. Oh, in the winter time, it's telling us in the winter time it's closed. Yeah, and they're telling us it's a bike. You could ride your bike as well. Guys, people are coming with them big dog, you know. I mean, I want no dog bite me, so you know what? We go this way. Okay. Okay, guys, we go this way. So, guys, I'm coming from that side. I'm coming from down that side. So, we're gonna go on this, on the trail. Oh, bushes. Oh, people and dog mating. Oh, they're so cute. Guys, I'm afraid of dog, eh? Dog run me down when me come the first time I came here. A dog run me down. I don't know what happened. Dog run me down, guys. Okay, guys. This is the same water I was telling you about. We were looking at. Yeah. Yep. The water. So now I'm over the bridge. The bridge. So it's water. The water clean. The water is clean. The water is very clean. Guys, people walk this trail so often. I'm telling you. Yeah, everybody come walk this trail. This is the trail. Love this trail. Love this trail. Love this trail. Love this trail. Okay, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna carry on with my walk. I could see like it's houses coming up or behind like people backyard in the trail, but maybe this trail almost done. So if I go the other way, maybe it will be longer, but I think I'm going back. Oh, guys, look at this little spot. Oh, the sun, guys, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun. Oh, guys, the sun, the sun. Oh, the glare is in the glare, the glare, the glare. Oh, guys, look at this little spot. They come and they maintain it. Well maintained, well maintained, well maintained. Look at this little spot here. Oh, the dog is coming. Look at this little spot. Nice little spot. Nice little spot. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. They're well maintained. You know, even you could have like even come and take pictures here for wedding and stuff. I think so. Guys, I can't wait to show you this when the leaves are changing. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be beautiful when the leaves are changing. I can't wait to show this to you. I can't wait. Wow. I can't wait. Nice little spot right here. Nice little spot. Guys, I could hear the maintenance, the people maintaining you could hear the sound. They're cutting the grass. They're cutting the grass. See? This grass, maybe, I don't know if they cut this since morning, but guys, this is well maintained. You could hear the guy coming. Oh, there he is, guys. There they are. There they are. Yeah. The maintenance guy. Wow. Oh, guys, look at this breadfruit wood. OMG. Guys, let me tell you, man. Let me tell you. One day I'm going to get some of this wood and roast some breadfruit food now, you see? Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, guys. Make some of this wood. Put them together. Get 2 breadfruit. Cut out the 2 yellow heart breadfruit too, you know. When it turn, you know. And just put some little salt in that. And away we go. Eat that with some ackee and saltfish. With some sugar and water. They're so nice. Yeah, guys. But this trail, as I said, and I can't stop saying about this trail. Oh, guys, look at this. You could have a little swing on this tree. Look how the tree shape. But this swing would have to be a little kid's swing. Me can't go on this tree. This is a broke down. This is a broke down, guys. Yeah, but I'm impressed. This trail. This trail is nice. Very nice, guys. Very nice. You could see, I think this is dying. This is dying. So, okay, guys, so I give you an overview of this. So, guys, that's it. I give you the trail. Beautiful trail. So next time I go the other way. Yeah, guys, you could see, I think they're gonna cut down the trees because there's the X. There's the X. So maybe next summer they cut this down. Oh, nice little trail to have a little picnic. come in the summertime and just hang out right here. The water is right there. It's a good shade with the grass. Well, guys, if you're afraid of critters, I don't know. I'm afraid of critters, but only like snake, those little garden snake. I know they're not gonna do anything, no harm, but guys, snake a snake. Not me. But this is the trail, guys. And I'm going further up, so guys, I don't know where I am, but I'm about to find out. I don't know where I am. So this is a little community, I guess. Yes, it's a little community, guys. But guess what? I have to go back in the trail now because I don't know where to go. And I park the other way. So I park and drive to come in the trail. So guys, I have to go back down in this trail to go back where I park. So, and I don't park close. So I have to go back in the trail, go the other way to go back to my car because I don't know where I am. I just drive, jump in the car, drive, and just say, let me go check out this trail for my subbies, my people. So I'm gonna go back in the trail and head back to my car. Or I could go the other way, check out the other way and see if I know where I am. So I'm gonna head back to the other side and see if I know. Guys, sorry about the sun glaze, the sunlight. Okay, we're not gonna go that way, we're gonna go this way. Guys, I'm telling you, I like how their trail set up. The trail set up just like a little community, like it's set up like a main road, you know? But it's nice, very nice. Oh, guys, I see ducks. I see ducks, guys. Wait, guys, I see ducks. Can you see them? You see them ducks? 1, 2 duck. I must say mother and father. See them, guys? See the ducks? Mother and father duck. Yeah. Mother and father. Oh, the ducks, guys, the ducks. The ducks, them are relax. Relax, ducks, relax. Relax yourself. Yeah. So guys, that's the first animal we see for the day. The only ones. You know, we always seen squirrel. Yeah. In the water. The water, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, everybody's walking in the trail. Everybody is walking in the trail. Everybody's walking in the trail. Ooh, guys. Here's the water again. Here's the water. Guys, good thing I come this side because I wouldn't see the ducks. Because that's the only animal I see for the day. And bird chirping. Guys, look over here. Look over here. Yo, guys, I could hear the birds chirping. I don't even know what that sign says. Or maybe it's cautioning. I don't know. Oh, but that says caution, but I don't know what the bottom word said. Yeah. Nice. Oh, guys, look at this now. This would be. You go, guys, you see the footpath? People there, you know? Look at the footpath. Look at the footpath. Look at the footpath. Guys, it's so peaceful down here. So peaceful. Oh my goodness. So peaceful. Okay, guys, we're moving on. See what else we can find. We see rather in the trail, or if I have to head back the other way, pause. I have no idea where I am when I go in the community. Guys, oh, it's a squirrel. I saw something running. I thought it was a rabbit. That's what I call them, a up. I thought it was a rabbit, but it's a squirrel. Squirrel is a part of us, guys, because everywhere we walk we see them. These squirrel. Yeah, guys, look at this. Huh? Look at this, guys. The sun is clear. Guys, I have to come earlier before the sun comes up, but not to get in the video like that. Yeah. Guys, people coming, so I have to stop. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, guys. Look at this. Guys, can you hear the water? It's all water. Oh my. This is so nice. This is so nice, guys. Yep, this is so nice. Oh, guys, it's another bridge. It's another bridge coming up. Oh, guys, this is the next crossroad. Wow, guys, look at this. Okay, guys, let me show you. This way go, there's a road going that way. There's a next one going that way. And there's a next one going this way. But guys, I'm gonna head over there. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at it's the same bridge, but this water seems high. This water seems so high. This water seems so high. Wow. Oh, guys, look at this. Guys, look, it's the bridge again. It's a similar bridge, guys. People leave their bicycle, but they strap it down on a bench. Guys, even bench in the park, in the trail. Bench in the trail. Yeah? Guys, somebody went for a walk, but they strapped their bike to That's what they usually do. Just chop that bike or something, and then so you know they will come back and get it. Boy, I got looking girlfriend now. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna see. This is a beautiful little spot, guys. Beautiful little spot. Beautiful little spot. Beautiful little spot. Huh? Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. Beautiful little spot. Guys, I'm gonna see if I know where I am. And then I walk it out because I could hear traffic on the road. Because I have no idea where I am. I just see the sign. It's a train. And I up out the car and come in the train. Yeah, so guys. It's okay. Okay, guys. Somebody else is coming. I don't want to put nobody in my video, guys, because yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now I know where I am. Okay. So, guys, this is coming till the end of my video. See, guys? It's over there. It's okay, so this is the road. So now I know where I am. You see the kids them smart, you know. You see all them talented guys? You see all these kids talented? Graffiti under the bridge. Isn't this awesome? Isn't this nice? This is just talent. I don't know. This is just talent. Wow. Guys, let me see what this reads before I put it on my channel. Or come with this story. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is just talent. Look at this. Look at this. This is just talent. Wow. This is just talent. OMG. Under the bridge. This is just pure talent. Just talent. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Whoever did this is just talent. This is just talent. Wow, look at this, guys. Talent. Just talent. Wow. Just talent. Stop. He said to stop.